Virtual reality for engineering design of aircraft, automobile and industrial plants, for training maintenance workers, dismounted infantry and handicapped students, for promoting new pharmaceuticals, kitchen appliances and residential houses. This is professional virtual reality from dVISE. These are real applications, not future fantasies, solving problems for industry, defense, education, and science. What is virtual reality? It is the evolution of the computer user interface. Virtual reality, or VR, is a new channel of communication between the user and the computer. It has two defining characteristics. Interaction. The user can grab, move, alter, manipulate, and animate the virtual world, all in real time. Immersion. The user experiences being inside the virtual world. The world looks and sounds as if he or she were there. Objects have the right size and distance, perspective, and depth. By combining interaction and immersion, designers, educators, trainees, and scientists develop new insights to evaluate and enhance designs, systems, and procedures. dVISE's customers have developed real-world applications using professional virtual reality. We'll look at applications in three categories. Computer-aided design programs are used to design everything from aircraft and automobiles to homes and nuclear power plants. dVISE software uses the actual CAD models to create better designs, to find design problems, to reduce design cost, and to facilitate maintenance and training. McDonnell Douglas is a manufacturer of aerospace systems. One goal for the design of their F-18 fighter jet is to enable removal and replacement of an engine in 30 minutes. Using Unigraphics 2 CAD data of the engine, housing, and maintenance trailer, along with dVISE's dVISE software, McDonnell Douglas is able to simulate the procedure for removal of an engine. The user can handle tools, unscrew bolts, and remove the engine from the housing. The software checks for clearance of tools and engine components. McDonnell Douglas can evaluate the design and the maintenance procedures while building fewer full-size mock-ups, saving both time and money. Matsushita Electric Works designs and builds homes, heating and cooling systems, and kitchen appliances. VR building walkthroughs have long been used in architectural design, but Matsushita has taken this one step further using dVISE's dVISE and dVS software. The detailed geometric data of the home, furniture, and appliances are combined with computational fluid dynamics, or CFD, calculations of airflow, temperature, and pressure. The resulting virtual world is used to experience and evaluate the functional design of the home's ventilation system and acoustics. The result is a competitive advantage for Matsushita in designing better, more efficient, more desirable homes. Électricité de France, a major French utility company, used VR from dVISE to stretch the boundaries of simulation-based design. Their goal was to determine work routes for their plant personnel which would minimize radiation exposure. Using CAD data of the nuclear power plant, combined with CFD calculations of radioactivity levels in the plant, they evaluated different walking paths and schedules for their staff, safely and at low cost. Cost-effective professional VR makes computer-based simulation and training accessible to industry, education, and the military. The U.S. Army Research Laboratory at the Aberdeen Proving Grounds is bringing new realism to computer-simulated infantry trainers. Using dVS software, soldiers in the dismounted infantry learn anti-tank tactics in a variety of terrain and scenarios. For added realism, ARL has linked an exercise stair-stepper with a computer-simulated terrain model and has armed the soldier with anti-tank and automatic weapons. ARL is enhancing the prototype with computer-generated forces and high-resolution physical models for weapon systems. The system will also be DIS compliant to provide multi-user interaction. And dVISE's virtual reality is making high-quality simulation-based training cost-effective in education. The University of Dayton Research Institute, in cooperation with the Miami Valley Regional Transit Authority, is using virtual reality bus rides to train handicapped students to ride the public bus system. Combining a multimedia training program with an immersive bus ride, students can practice riding the virtual bus as many times as needed and in their own classroom. The scenes are realistic enough for the students to recognize the different buses and landmarks along their route. The ability to ride public buses gives the students greater independence and self-esteem and assists the transit industry in meeting the regulations of the Americans with Disabilities Act, using standard bus service instead of costly door-to-door services. Virtual reality is an attention getter, which makes it a natural for promoting products at trade shows and at point-of-sales locations. Furthermore, with professional VR, a company can demonstrate or simulate products and product qualities which are difficult or costly to present otherwise. Gulfstream Aerospace Corporation, a leading manufacturer of long-range executive jets, has just such a product. Gulfstream brings a full-size mock-up of the 45-foot-long Gulfstream 5 to trade shows, but they wanted to display more than just one of the interiors available for the aircraft. Using virtual reality from dVISE, customers can walk through 2 additional interiors of the Gulfstream 5. Furthermore, the interactivity of dVISE lets customers turn on faucets and showers, fold and unfold conference tables and chairs, and open and close doors. The high-quality, texture-mapped, real-time images are the next best thing to an actual Gulfstream 5. dVISE's products and services have been used to develop each of the applications shown and many more. dVISE is a complete virtual reality solutions company providing software, hardware, peripherals, training, and custom development services. dVISE has 2 key software products for creating and experiencing applications in virtual reality. dVISE is a unique, interactive virtual world authoring tool. Using dVISE, one can create complex VR experiences with a user-friendly interactive interface and without programming. Using 2D or 3D mice and an X Windows or immersive interface, users can build interactive virtual worlds from their own CAD data. dVISE offers translators to read in models from AutoCAD, 3D Studio, Wavefront Advanced Visualizer, Multigen, Unigraphics, CADS 5, CAD Center, Intergraph, and more. With dVISE, developers can enhance these models with color, texture, and animations. dVISE is the virtual design environment for quick and easy development of sophisticated VR applications without programming. Underlying dVISE is dVISE, dVISE's advanced runtime environment for VR. dVISE provides all the services needed for sophisticated virtual reality, including stereo image generation, 3D audio, collision detection, and interfaces for I/O devices. dVISE coordinates these servers with one or multiple users in a distributed environment. The power of dVISE is available either through dVISE or through a C programming interface. dVISE is sophisticated to make virtual reality simple. Other VR companies may just offer software. As a value-added reseller of both Hewlett-Packard and Silicon Graphics workstations, dVISE offers a wide variety of complete solutions in virtual reality. dVISE software on standard HP and SGI workstations provides an excellent low-cost platform for VR development and non-immersive display. These systems can support stereo display and a variety of 2D and 3D input devices. Applications developed on entry-level systems are completely portable to mid-range and high-end immersive systems. dVISE offers a unique product for mid-range immersive virtual reality. The ProVision 10 is dVISE's own VR image generation system for HP workstations. Using PixelPlanes technology licensed from the University of North Carolina, the ProVision 10 with an HP desktop system provides the industry's only high-performance, fully textured, immersive VR at a mid-range workstation price. For the ultimate in VR performance, dVISION sells Silicon Graphics Oynx Reality Engine 2 systems with dVISION software and peripherals. dVISION is expert at integrating SGI systems for the most demanding VR CAD and simulation applications. dVISION is the complete professional VR company. Whether it is head-mounted displays, systems integration, training, or custom application development, dVISION has the answer. Intrigued by the idea of using virtual reality? Perhaps you recognized an application which you would like to try. Or maybe you have a new idea you'd like to explore. dVISION has offices worldwide to help apply professional virtual reality in your work. Some companies sell only VR products. dVISION sells VR solutions.